In this short video, you will get to know about the benefits of the cost control module. So let's click up here on cost control and see how it looks like. Cost control allows you to track the costs of your project against a fixed budget with a mix of estimated and actual numbers. It also allows you to track spending effects, producer expenses, and cash flow information. When you create a cost control set, you need to choose a budget to base it on. In the navigation area on the left side, you see all cost control sets of the current project and the categories of the currently selected cost control set, which match those of the budget it is linked to. In the edit area, you now see the categories and groups. Compared to the budget module, there are different columns visible now. The first one is budget, and it shows the amount from the initial budget. It is followed by provision, which stands for the currently estimated cost of your project. Next is paid. That's the total of all paid cost items. The column outstanding is the difference from paid to provision, and the column difference is the difference from the budget to provision. Positive amounts means you are within your budget. Negative red amounts means you are over budget. Now let's focus on cost items. When you click a category and select an account, you see all the account's cost items. You can add any number of cost items to an account. They can be entered as estimates or as actuals. We have two cost items here, the first and second installment for the author. They are listed as estimates, which means they have not been paid yet, so the paid column is still 0. You see that the budget amount is 50,000. The provision for this account is 55,000 though. That's because the two cost items sum up to 55,000. We therefore have a negative difference in this account of 5,000. Now let's say the first installment has already been paid. The number would then be written in the actual column with a payment date. Note that the paid column is now 25,000 and the outstanding column has come down to 30,000. If you don't want to enter a specific cost item but still want to change the amount for a certain account, you can use the global estimate. Let's assume that you think you will exchange the writer and it will cost a lot more in the end. Just enter that number in the global estimate field. You need to check these boxes in order to deduct cost items from the global estimate. You see now that you have a difference of 20,000 in this account. Instead of entering actual numbers yourself, you can import them from your accounting software. For this, you have to set up an accounting scheme in Settings and then import a CSV file. To see how that is done in detail, please consult the tutorial on our website. This mix of estimated and actual numbers allows you to keep very close track of your production costs. Just like for an account in the budgeting module, you can also add information to your cost items in the macro panels. You can add the producer who pays this cost item, add tags and notes, cash flow info, attachments like invoices or contracts, taxes or spending effects. Last but not least, let's have a look at printing a cost report. Press the Print button, choose the Cost Control tab and set the name for your cost report. Choose the options you'd like and then drag down the columns according to your needs. You can add various sum columns, columns for each producer, and of course each spending effect. When done, just open PDF and you will get exactly the print you want.